Today I'm going to be installing a brand new ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Before you get started, go ahead and download the ecobee app and add the thermostat to the app. Once that's done, we can begin the thermostat installation. Turn off the power to your furnace or air handler. Remove the old thermostat. If you're replacing an existing smart thermostat and everything was working perfectly, take a picture of the wires and where they're landing on the thermostat. You'll use this when installing the new ecobee thermostat. If you only have 4 wires, you're going to have to use the adapter. This video is covering the 5-wire setup. If you can't go off your old thermostat and need to verify what wire goes where, you'll have to find your low voltage terminal block inside of your air handler and take a picture of that. Here's my setup, which is pretty typical for a 1 heat, 1 cooling, 1 stage system. Please be warned that your thermostat wire coloring may be different. Next, I'm going to slide the wires through the base plate and the low voltage terminal block. Here's a simple graphic of all the terminals and their functions. Using the same wiring configuration as the old thermostat, I'm going to land the red wire on RC. Some important tips here is to make sure that all of your wires are nice and clean. You don't want any wiring that has any nicks in it. If it does, go ahead and clean them up if you can. You also want to make sure that all of the locking tabs are down, holding the wire in fully. You can give a small tug just to make sure that the wire doesn't pop out when you put the cover on. The ecobee instructions will tell you to do this once the base plate and the terminal block is secure. I like to put the wiring in first and then secure it. Just works better for me. I'm going to secure the terminal block and the base plate with a couple 2-inch drywall screws. If you want, feel free to use the anchors into the drywall and use the screws provided. Once the base plate and terminal block is secured to the wall, make sure that all the wires are pushed in, and then just go ahead and line up the tabs, and the thermostat should snap right into place. Turn on the power to your furnace or air handler. Next, the ecobee thermostat is going to guide you through some steps, and it's going to confirm some wiring. To take advantage of all the features, make sure that you have your Wi-Fi connected and your password handy. Thank you so much for watching this ecobee thermostat installation video, and I hope that you are able to enjoy the thermostat as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave, and this fix is done.